Acne is a skin condition that occurs when your hair follicles become plugged with oil and dead skin cells. It causes whiteheads, blackheads or pimples. Acne is most common among teenagers, though it affects people of all ages. Effective acne treatments are available, but acne can be persistent. Acne develops when sebum, an oily substance that lubricates your hair and skin, and dead skin cells plug hair follicles. Bacteria can trigger inflammation and infection, resulting in more severe acne. Protect your skin from the sun. Avoid friction or pressure on your skin. Avoid touching or picking acne-prone areas. Shower after strenuous activities. Today in this video, I will share the solution of acne-prone skin with DIY face pack. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar and 3 parts water. Use more water for sensitive skin. After cleansing, gently apply the mixture to the skin using a cotton ball. Let it sit for 5 to 20 seconds. Rinse with water and pat dry. Repeat this process 1 to 2 times per day, as needed.